Hey cutie. This is the best part of the trek, river crossing. Now, this is a view worth waking up for. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to day 2 of our Hamta Pass trek. Last night, we stayed at Chika campsite, which sits around like 10,100 feet above sea level, right in the middle of these incredible Himalayan mountains. कल का ट्रैक जोबरा से चिका तक था around 3 kilometers, and honestly it was the perfect start to the adventure. The trail wasn't very technical, so even beginners with decent fitness can comfortably do it. I'd personally rate it as like easy to moderate. और ट्रैक के बाद जब आप ऐसे टेंट में सोकर उठते हो विथ माउंटेन्स राइट आउटसाइड योर डोर, तब सारी थकान ऑटोमेटिक डिसअपियर हो जाती है. और ये है ट्रैक की असली लग्जरी. गरम चाय, ठंडी हवा और सामने पूरा हिमालयन वैली. घर पे चाय पीते वक्त हम मोबाइल स्क्रॉल कर लेते हैं, यहाँ चाय पीते वक्त माउंटेन्स देखते हैं. लाइक डिफरेंस समझ रहे हो आप? ऑनेस्टली इसी फीलिंग के लिए लोग बार बार माउंटेन्स पे वापस आते हैं. चिका की खासियत ये है कि फॉर सेंचुरीज शेपर्ड्स फ्रॉम कुल्लू वैली हैव यूज्ड these mountain routes to move their livestock between valleys during different seasons. Even today, if you're lucky, you will spot large flocks of sheep and horses grazing across these meadows. Hi guys! Today is day 2 of Hamta Pass. We are in Chika, now going to Baluka Kera. We are gonna cross the river. Let's see how it goes. It's probably 8 kilometers though. Let's see at what time we will reach. Stay tuned. The temperature at Chika campsite was around 5 to 8 degrees Celsius. So let's go to our next campsite. We left around 9 a.m. from here. Don't worry, this is not the river crossing I was talking about. This is just a small bridge crossing over Chika campsite. We actually stopped here for a while because everyone in our group was still catching up. So while waiting, we were simply chatting, taking photos and enjoying the surroundings. We have to go there. Let's go. भाई सारे लोग आ गए ना, कोई रह तो नहीं गया? लाइक सीरियसली इट फेल्ट लाइक हाफ ऑफ इंडिया हैड डिसाइडेड टू डू हमता पास ट्रैक दिस वीक विद अस. ये देखो, ट्रैक कम और ट्रैफिक सिग्नल ज़्यादा लग रहा है. ये तो सब लोग पेशेंटली अपने टर्न का वेट कर रहे थे टू क्रॉस वन बाय वन. और ऑनेस्टली इतना क्राउड देख के मुझे समझ आ गया कि हमता पास इंडिया का मोस्ट पॉपुलर ट्रैक में से एक क्यों है. बिग शाउट आउट टू माई ब्रदर. तो एक पॉइंट पे मुझे बैग कैरी करने में लाइक इतना स्ट्रगल हो रहा था कि तो उसने हीरो बनते हुए दोनों बैग्स उठा लिया. मैं तो एक बैग से स्ट्रगल कर रही थी और ये 2 लेके चल रहा है. लाइक हैट्स ऑफ मेरे भाई. But on a serious note, for anyone planning to do Hamta Pass trek or any high altitude trek, here's a small tip: pack light, like really light, वरना शुरू में बैग आप कैरी करोगे और एंड में बैग आपको कैरी कर लेगा. मेरी हालत देख के समझ ही गए होंगे. फाइनली टुक अ लंच ब्रेक ओवर हियर. ट्रैक पे एक अलग ही लेवल की भूख लगती है. आज हमारे टिफ़िन में लाइक पुलाव राइस था जो कैंप साइट वालों ने सुबह पैक करके दिया था. एंड ट्रस्ट मी, माउंटेन्स में सिंपल पुलाव भी लाइक बिरयानी लगती है भाई.
This is the best part of the trek, river crossing.
The water here is glacial melt water, which means it's incredibly cold. The temperature of water is close to freezing, and the force of the current is much stronger than it looks on camera. The moment your feet touch the water, they start going numb. After just a few seconds, it honestly feels like your legs have disappeared, man.
Look at the view. It's worth it. Just look at this beauty. So pretty.
Oh my God! Wow!
At this point, we were already above 11,000 feet and slowly gaining more altitude with every step. The temperature was hovering somewhere around 8 to 12 degrees Celsius, but because of the cold winds and glacier fed water we had just crossed, it felt much colder than that.
Hey cutie. Hey, hi, hi. Hi.
इग्नोर ही कर दिया भाई इसने तो.
Finally for break right now. It's still like 3 kilometers remaining. We covered 5 kilometers right now.
Luckily हमें यहाँ पे कैफ़े मिल गया. You could get chai, coffee and Maggie here. Since the temperature was dropping quickly, chai was the obvious choice. Else if you are hungry, you can have Maggie too.
Once in their life.
सीन देख के फ़ोटो निकालने का मन किया, बट यहाँ पे भीड़ देख लो आप. हमारे चेहरे से तो पता चल ही रहा होगा. Everyone was tired, everyone was breathing heavily, but somehow we were still smiling though. The weather was still sunny at this point, which made things much easier.
मैं तो थक गई भाई साहब. मैं तो फिर से थक गई. एकदम इन्होंने वक्त बदल दिया, जज्बात बदल दिए, जिंदगी बदल दी.
Like out of nowhere, the weather changed completely. It started hailing and the temperature dropped rapidly. The hailstones were coming down so fast that they were actually hurting when they hit exposed skin. We quickly took out our ponchos and tried to protect ourselves from the weather. And finally we reached the snow-covered section. We are now approaching Baluka Ghera, which sits at approximately 11,900 feet above sea level. The air feels thinner, temperature is significantly lower, and you can really feel the altitude. These tents looked absolutely adorable. Unfortunately, they weren't ours. यार. इतने हाई एल्टीट्यूड में तो मेरे को ब्रीदिंग प्रॉब्लम ही हो गई, तो लाइक आई वाज रियली ब्रीदिंग फास्ट.
Hi guys. Yesterday we reached Baluka Ghera at
7:30.
So it was around 8 kilometers. Couldn't end the vlog.
Whispering pine never